make festival, Jamaican festival. So you need 2 cups of flour, half cup of cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. This is optional. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Combine all your dried ingredients together. Once that is completed, add 1 cup of coconut milk. Half cup at a time. You just work it in. The proportion is right. It's gonna work. Alright, so what we're going to do now is just cut off a good piece and make a length about this big. You just stretch it. So that's it. And we're going to fry these. About that long. You see, when it's this wet, it's tender. You don't want to get it too hard. So about that length. About that length. Yeah, just do like that. And compress them. Put to eat a dry frying pan and add the oil. Put the flame on high. And just wait. Now I waited for 2 minutes. I'm going to add the vegetables. You just put them in like that. Just let it stay on one side. Now after 2 minutes, just turn these. Just turn it and let it stay. Note, I have the stove on high, so it's going to cook very fast. I do that because I don't want this festival to absorb the oil. So after 2 minutes, you can just remove these. While you're removing those, you can just add more. You see, I'm used to cooking, so not until you're used to cooking, you do like me and put your hand in the pot and all that stuff. I never get burned. But I know what I'm doing. We just let that stay for 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, You just want to make sure they are golden. They're goldenly crisp. Festival, 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 Jamaica festival, festival.